In this lesson, we are going to read through the defrosting food topic in the template food control plan. This is one of the magenta-colored cards in the making and cooking section of the plan and is page number 71. What do you need to know? If you leave food to thaw at room temperature for a long time, the outer parts may be in the temperature danger zone, 5 to 60 degrees Celsius, for too long before the middle thaws. Thawing food in the fridge ensures that it is not in the danger zone and is in the best condition for use. If food is only partially defrosted, it may not reach the correct temperatures during cooking to kill bugs. What do you need to do? Plan ahead if using frozen foods so you have enough time to thaw it safely, either in the fridge or chiller. When provided, thaw products according to manufacturer's instructions. Clearly label food being defrosted, for example, date defrosting started. Keep food that is being defrosted in a container and near the bottom of the fridge chiller to stop juices from spreading onto surfaces and other foods. If you cannot defrost food in a fridge chiller, you can use any, or a combination, of these methods. Remember to complete your plan by ticking which you and your staff use. Thaw in the microwave and use food immediately. Thaw under running cold water in an airtight container. Defrost on the bench for no more than 4 hours. Once thawed, foods that are normally kept cold or hot must be either refrigerated, cooked or kept hot. Food must be fully defrosted before being reheated or cooked. What do you need to show? Show your verifier. How you and your staff defrost your food. How you and your staff keep defrosted food safe.